Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete Safari history on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to delete all the search history and um, browsing history on your iPhone on Safari without any problems, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. In settings, you have to go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and here if you see any of the history and you want to delete any browsing history, then there is no option available. But if you want to delete it, then you have to simply go to settings, and this time you have to search for the apps, and in apps you have to look for the Safari apps, and in Safari app you will find the option related to delete history. So you have to simply click on that, and as you click on that, here you will find the option of clear